And one more thing that I would like to like point out right now. So I think for me, like two of the important thing that I learned is ask questions. So like not particularly I'm suggesting to the student, but whenever I like earlier I used to like sit down and listen to the teachers whatever they are saying, like totally accepting what they have said, not even like questioning whether they are right or not. So that is like for me as well, like asking questions give you not just put you more on the interactive plate and more you engage with the speaker, but also keep you attentive as well as your mind sharpens while you ask the questions. So I think that is one of the habit, and I want like everyone to follow that.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Good to know that. Yeah. I would like to, by the time guys come up with the question, I have a
Mhm.
very important point to make. The common observation that I have experienced in last 5 years with all my friends who started their startup along with me 5 years ago, but
Mhm.
did not make it on a bigger scale. And I tried to dig out the main reason. The common reason was many of the guys and girls, especially millennials, because of their impatience, they hop from one opportunity to another just because they did not get the desired results in 8 to 9 months. See, because of the instant gratification zamana, we are our brain is now differently wired. No, we want tasty food. Just dance your fingers on the screen, and the food is at your doorstep. You want a car ride, Swiggy, Ola, Uber, and the car is ready. Yeah, right swipe, and you are on a date.
Yeah.
So, so we have now started assuming that results come to us within no time. But my dear, there is nothing called revolution. There is only evolution.
Yeah.
You can't have a baby in 1 month by making 9 women pregnant. You can't defy the laws of nature. But slow, gradual growth is non-glamorous. It's mundane, boring. I did not enjoy the virality for first 2 years, 2.5 years. The virality the stand-up comedians and those dance videos enjoy.
Yeah.
No media coverage, no press, no TED talk, no interviews, no public interview, nothing. But my belief system, I did not allow my belief system to get shattered. My
Right.
belief was very strong that yes, this is a perennial thing, a long term thing. It will take time.
Will
Big
take time.
changes होने के लिए time लगता है. Like America took 200 years after its independence to give voting rights to women. Can you believe this? America.
Right.
Right.
That was
And we think
seriously shocking. Yeah.
they are more
Progress.
broad-minded than us.
Yeah.
We immediately give. Anyway, so now why do they hop from one opportunity to another? Because they find something more exciting, or they get bored of the existing idea. So the biggest enemy of a great idea is a new idea. And the problem is, because of the numbers, these tech guys, Facebooks, Instagrams, and YouTubes are so smart to hypnotize our psyche and trap us in that number game. You know, people think that if I get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, I will be successful. Go and ask the person who has got 1,000 subscribers. He's at the same level where you are.
Yeah.
Just do one experiment. If
Mhm.
those people who think that likes, shares, comments, and subscriptions is everything, it's a big deal. If you have 200 likes on your post or 100 subscribers to your YouTube channel, just try to get in contact with all those people who have liked your post, 200 people, and request them that it's great that you like my idea, you have been following me, so can we please meet up in person in a week's time? I bet not more than 2 out of 200 will actually meet you. वो सब हवा है. It doesn't take even less than fraction of second to click that like button. और दो लोग जो मिलेंगे वो कौन है मालूम है? One will be your own mother, another will be your best friend. So ये सब मोह माया है. Don't get carried away by these likes and shares and subscription numbers.
Mhm.
All right.
Yeah.
Every
So
world is still a physical world. Everything happens in the physical world. right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's like the short-term gratification from like
Hmm.
Facebook, Twitter, and all those like hype and all those things that like that really create a panic environment. We are not patient, like impatient. We are being impatient to the extent we do not focus on one thing at a time.
Right, right. See, the best part of the compounding effect that it takes time. It's only in the long run.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
If you
absolutely.
keep hopping from one opportunity to another, you're not letting the compound to show its magic in the long run.
Yeah,
And that's what
absolutely.
exactly happened with most of my friends. Yeah.